This is a relatively easy code challenge for white. Here, if white connects, then black will connect this stone back, and white will not have enough ice space to live. So this should be fairly obvious. And to make a code, this is the shape, and it works. So in this situation, if black pulls back this one stone, white can cut here and threaten to capture this stone. But of course, black can capture first, so white will need to find a co-threat elsewhere and capture back. Of course, arguably, white has a local co-threat here, which is very resilient. If black connects, then white can make a living shape this way. If black comes in, then white can capture, and black will have a local co-threat right here. Right? Black cannot connect because this way this stone will be captured and this code will continue. Right? This way, or possibly white will be able to extend to the upper side. So this will get more complicated. For our purposes, black will have this local co-threat. White cannot connect. If it connects, black will connect and white will die. So white must cut here and try to capture this stone. Now white no longer has a local co-threat, finds something on the outside, captures back. Does black have a local co-threat here? The answer is yes. Black can always stand down. When you're under Atari by a ko, you can always stand down here, seeking one more liberty. Now white must try to capture black like this, and black captures back. If black wins, of course black will just connect here, and white will die. If white somehow wins in this situation, then white will just capture and make a living shape. For our purposes, this should work, because if black pulls back, then white can escape with number 21. Anyway, the main takeaway here is to make this co-shape. It's pretty simple, but it's very easy to be ignored by beginners. In real games, whenever you can make a co-shape like number 1, calculate what happens after it, rather than just playing the connection automatically. In order to make ko happen, we have to overcome some of our bad habits and calculate what happens after we make things into the shape of a ko. Hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.